The Torah has tended to be critical of power. Kings had it and often abused it. Prophets had none, but their influence has lasted to this day. To a remarkable degree, the Torah is about leadership by influence, not about authority in virtue of formal office. The second distinction worth making is between leadership as a gift, a talent, a set of characteristics, and leadership as a process through which we acquire the skills and experience it takes to influence others, and the qualities of character needed to be able to make space for others. Often in the Torah, we see people grow into leadership rather than being singled out for it from birth. Genesis traces this out in different ways in relation to both Joseph and Judah. We see both grow. Only in Egypt, after many shifts of fortune, does Joseph become a leader, and only after several trials do we see Judah do likewise. Moses undergoes a series of personal crises in the book of Numbers before he emerges in Deuteronomy as the figure through which he is known best. Moshe Rabbeinu, Moses the leader as teacher. Leadership is not a gift with which we are endowed at birth. It is something we acquire in the course of time, often after many setbacks, failures, and disappointment. The Hebrew people right now needs leaders. People unafraid to face the challenges of today and build for tomorrow instead of, as so often happens, fighting the battles of yesterday. The world changes and leaders help us to adapt to the new without breaking faith with the old. I do hope that something in these courses that would offer with this project, Leka, moves you to take one leadership challenge, however small, that you may have not done before.